You know, it's someone's birthday today. You guys want to come in? Wait, did they already blow out?
What the crap?
Come on, hey, look what I got. Ready?
Don't sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. There you go, man. Happy birthday, dear Chief. Happy birthday to you.
It's not 30.
No, I know. Are they the magic relight ones? They're the magic relight ones.
Quick, get some propane.
Make a wish.
It's actually gonna blow up in your face.
Boom!
Those are
Yeah.
actually dynamite sticks.
Wait, yeah, there we go. Can't really see. You gotta wait till they go out. Did one?
Well.
I about burned my thumb lighting the one in the middle.
Anybody want cake? I'll spit on it.
Hey, Bunker. Bunker's got the knife. See, yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Did you make a wish?
Of course I did.
Cool, cool. Happy 30th birthday, dude. Getting old, man. Cool. Yeah, let's give him a hand. Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, cool. How many zombies we got?
Good show.
Three zombies starting off.
Like, I was running down here and I said, go kill me by ash. I was out of ammo. I mean, I was going to die anyways.
Throwing ash at him?
No, I said kill
Like
me
a
by
handful
you.
of ash?
Oh.
Looks like I found the survivor group. But there's zombies out there. Freaking coming. They're freaking coming, man!
3, 2, 1!
Wait a minute.
No, no, you guys stay there. I'll let you keep. I'll tell you guys when to go. There goes the humans. All right, I'm gonna see if I can keep up with them. And then I'll let them get a head start. When I blow that whistle second time, take them down. And remember, ham it up. Act like a zombie. We rebuilt that bridge down there, so it's real sturdy now. Well, sturdier than it was. It ain't going anywhere.
Yeah.
We actually hammered nails and stuff into them, so.
First time about fell in, and next time just ran straight across.
Yep. I mean, we have most of the guys who like that. We just have like 10 guys run across it. It supports the weight just fine. So these are down there. Okay. Guys ready? I'm gonna turn you loose on them. What do you think?
I'm ready.
Ready? Gonna get some good zombie shots.
Let's see.
Cool. All right. Ready? Zombie time. 3, 2, 1. There they go. Remember to act like a zombie. Did you get him already? No, you didn't. Okay. The humans are holding out in the center of the field. I'm gonna come down here. Just remember, you gotta conserve your ammo. Oh, ouch! I heard that. Remember, if you're a zombie and you get hit, you gotta lay down or like kneel.
All right.
For up to 15 seconds. Remember, if you hit them with that tube, they become infected. Let me cut down here. Here's a zombie. Come on, zombie. Oh, there he is. Run, Forrest. Get him. Remember, you gotta fall or kneel. Don't let him hit you with that melee weapon. Oh, he got him with the shotty. Is that your Walmart gun?
Yes.
Ah. Now you can get up to 15 seconds. Okay, here comes some more guys. Zombie. Gotta make your zombie noises. Whoa, whoa, what the hell's going on down here? Follow them. What's going on? It's kind of gushy down there. It rained the other day. Watch your step, guys.
If you get hit on your weapon, does that count as infected?
No. Here comes a zombie.
Behind!
Ah! Oh, he saved him just in time.
Appreciate it.
Are you infected, Chris?
No.
Oh, he's always a zombie. Chris is a zombie. Didn't take him long to get turned. Like a cranky old man. There he goes. Got him, got him, got him. Where's the other guy at? Oh shit. Run! All those guys are after him. Run, dude! Oh shit. I'm cut up here. Okay. He got, what's his name, got turned into a zombie. He did. Wait. Oh, zombie. And he's a zombie still. There goes 3 humans. Getting back up. Blah, zombies. And there's some stuff going on back here. It's like 2 separate actions going. Humans up there. And they're moving up. You guys are humans? The uninfected, the survivors. Oh, that's right, you got your pistols. Yeah, you're human. I'll stay with you guys. Oh no, zombie! You like kneel down, there you go. You alright, dude?
Yeah, it got me right here.
Oh yeah, that sucks. Here he comes. Way back there. Ugh. You can come get these guys. Someone's phone's ringing. Sound like it. I'll stay over here with you guys. Heated. There's zombies coming. There's one they just shot. He's getting up. He's moving. Here they come. He's reanimating. Oh, you got your predator masks on. Cool. There's another one. Okay. Humans moved up here. Oh! 3 shots. You only got hit once. Oh! Yeah, he's down. There's another one down there. Oh, are you guys scared? It's just a zombie. Oh, he's back up. He's staggering. So how many we got? 4 humans, 3 zombies over here. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Is that, he's a human. Okay, he's got a shotgun. Oh, dropping him. You couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Nice shot. Oh, here comes some more. How many humans are left? Like 2? Something like that. There's a whole bunch of zombies now. They just come back. Now they gotta walk all the way back over there. Oops, sorry. Did you just trip and fall?
No.
Yeah, you did. Laugh like a Klingon. That's not how a predator laughs. He's like, I can't do the predator laugh. Let's hear your zombie moans. Watch your step in there. Oh, they're retreated back up there by the carport. Nice day for zombies. It's about 75 degrees out, sun. Good weather for the humans to try to kill. Or try to kill the humans. Four humans left. You guys got about 5 minutes remaining. Oh shit. Oh, here they go. Yeah, you gotta keep up with them, dude. Okay, they're all running across the bridge. Back where we started. Zombies are giving chase. Humans are all way over there. What?
Decapitate.
Ah, zombie head. Zombie side. Zombies killing other zombies. Oh damn, they're hard to keep up with. Oh! Did you get infected? I didn't even see him up there. Oh, you got infected. Get shot. Oh, there's the humans. Get him, get him, get him. Oh shit, there they go. Run! Take him down! They got one. This is some funny shit. The last one left. Ah! Ah! Get him, get him! Ah! Brains! Ah! Ah! Did you get him? That was awesome, guys. Oh man, you devoured him. His brains are gone. Okay, guys.
You said no dog pile, you went down and rolled this way.
Okay, we can redo it if you want. You want to do it again?
Huh?
Want to do it again?
Take two.
No, it's okay. All right, guys, that was fun.